This video is sponsored by Andes Premium Lab Coats.
The aim of our experiment is to effectively determine how the surface area affects the rate of reaction. In an everyday example, you might have had a huge night with the boys, so you take a Berocca for the big day. We will test if the surface area alters the rate of reaction so you can get out the door quicker of a morning. This can also be applied to ice cubes to determine whether the surface area affects the duration of an ice cube in water.
We hypothesized that a larger surface area will result in a faster rate of reaction.
Firstly, it is important to discuss the risk assessments to this experiment. As always, safety glasses are worn to protect the eyes from any substances should they in the slightest of situations end up near the face. Slap on a pair of gloves when dealing with liquids to protect against irritation towards the skin. For this experiment, a lab coat is also worn to protect the delicate Waverley coloured uniform.
For this experiment, you will need 1 heat-proof mat, 3 labelled beakers, 1 stopwatch, 1 measuring cylinder, 3 Alka-Seltzer tablets, and 1 mortar and pestle.
The independent variable of this experiment is the surface area of the tablet. The different forms of the tablet, pieces and powderized all have different surface area. The dependent variable of this experiment is the duration of the reaction, in other terms, the rate of reaction. And the controlled variables of this experiment are the type and size of the beaker, the solvent, the amount of solvent, the temperature, and the total amount of Alka-Seltzer tablet. Now to the steps. 1. Place 3 beakers filled with 100 ml of water onto the heat-proof mat. We had ground up 1 full Alka-Seltzer tablet using the mortar and pestle and split another full tablet into quarters. Then we had simultaneously deployed each form of the Alka-Seltzer tablet into the correctly labelled beakers and started the stopwatch. The experiment was repeated 3 times for reliability, and the results were recorded and are as follows.
The results were consistent in all 3 experiments and presented a clear trend. The larger surface area consistently reacted quicker. The table shows a clear pattern of the experiment. Conclusively, the larger surface area had a faster rate of reaction, as we hypothesized. As we increased the surface area of the tablet, the rate of reaction was also increased as shown by the results. We also conducted another experiment, which was inconsistent, therefore we did not use the results. Our method of the experiment could be more structured and detailed.
3, 2, 1.